This is why this is so important, and this is why this is going to make the air conditioner run better all through the summer and less likely chance of getting a problem in the middle of the summer. Hey folks, Fix It Rick here. Today we're going to service our air conditioner. Here in Phoenix, we take air conditioning a lot more seriously. As you can see, I have 2 units. We don't mess around with air conditioning in Phoenix.
We don't mess around!
And as the weather's getting warmer, it's time to service the air conditioner. You can pay $200 or $300 for this service, and it's pretty easy. Let's see how it goes. So there's a couple things you need to get started. First is a good coil cleaner. This is made by Pura Filter. Got it at Home Depot. It's a professional grade foaming solvent made just for foam cleaning your air conditioning coils. You're also going to need a hose with a reach to the air conditioner coils.
Oh, you're sweating!
And a drill, because we've got to take the top of the AC compressor off. And I'm also going to take the opportunity to try out my new Klein flip bit. We'll see how that works, how quick that is and easy to use. So let's get started. It looks like the nuts on my air conditioner are 5/16, so I just quickly flip that around to the 5/16, and off we go. Now, as I get to the back, this isn't going to work. This is too long. I couldn't reach the back with my drill. I don't have enough room back here. The drill's too long. But I can use my new Wera Zyklop Ratchet. The Wera Zyklop is a fantastic toolkit. Comes in metric and SAE. I bought the metric. So I need to put a 5/16 socket on my Zyklop. Okay, all the bolts are out. It's time to take the top off the air conditioner. But before we do that, always disconnect the power at the breaker. And you can pull the breaker box here.
Fuse!
That disconnects power. There is no chance of getting electrocuted once you do that. And you can put it right on top of the box. So now this unit's dead. No electricity to it at all. Go. Okay. So, what I'm going to try and do, just sit it like that. So the wires aren't being stretched, but the coils are exposed. So your air conditioner relies on efficient flow of air through the fins and through the coils. And when dirt builds up, you can't get that. So this is why this is so important, and this is why this is going to make the air conditioner run better all through the summer and less likely chance of getting a problem in the middle of the summer. One more thing. There's always junk in there.
Junk.
Let's go get the shop vac and clean that out first, otherwise we'll have a mess. Okay, we've got it. Power off, all vacuumed out, motor, fan motor removed. Now it's time to try this coil cleaner. I've never tried it before, so we're doing this together for the first time. Shake can well, spray liberally on condenser fins, allow coils to dry before restarting unit. Okay, we've emptied the can of foam cleaner on the inside of the coils. I started spraying it on the outside and realized really I think it's better on the inside because the water is going to come out this way. That forces the foam out through the coils. Made more sense to me, and I think you get better coverage that way. So time to rinse it off. I don't know if you can see that, but the color of the water collecting in the bottom there is absolutely filthy. So yeah, these needed cleaning bad. Yeah, the water dripping from the coils, that's brown water. See that brown water, but that's brown. So here's a lot of the yuck coming out of the bottom. Yuck. As I hose it down. Okay, we're really done here. The only thing left is to let it dry out, put it all back together, and do the next one, which I'm not going to bore you with. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Clean your air conditioning coils and you're going to be a happier camper in the summer. Thanks for watching.